Yes, hello guys. Welcome to this smart house model. It's a prefab
Sir. Prefab.
house. If gusto mo nga lang, the low cost is 155,000. Then the luxury one is 178K. So this model is the luxury type. So yes, they build prefab container houses and prefab warehouses also. Surprisingly affordable and surprisingly smart. So let's get inside the house.
Of course.
I'm with Miguel, by the way, from Smart House.
Good day,
to
everyone.
assist me. So actually, it's just like a studio condo. Hi, ma'am. So, ano siya? Mura gyud siya condo. So, naa siya studio man. So, dito lang siya. Then there's the toilet here.
The CR, sir, is an additional cost. That
Okay.
is-
How much?
That's 30,000, sir. It includes all the fixtures.
The plumbing.
Yes, the plumbing, the water closet, the lavatory, the shower, and the faucet for 30,000.
So, these are some of their finished products in the Philippines, right? You also have a website, smarthouse.prefab.com.ph. So, Smart House. This is also one of your
Yes, sir. This is one of our samples. At its, we call this our prefab luxury villas. At its core, luxury
two levels, right?
Not necessarily. Nating uban, sir, no? One story lang po, sir. Actually,
For this type, how much is that? It's more than luxury, right?
yes, the Scotty model, it goes around from 1.1 to 1.3 million, depende sa
And how about this one?
The
Because this
SE
is
model
second
goes
level.
as high as 5.2 million.
5.2 million.
Napunta mo na isa, and if you see the
It's made of
at its core, sir, it's still the luxury prefab containers. Plus steel structures, but with better finishes na sa interior and exterior.
So guys, if you're interested about these models, so just check the website. It's a smart house. Then this one is also nice. It looks. This is only like the paint. Nga mo siya wood or design or.
Actually, sir, Kanisha is an elevated version of the prefab. This is no longer the container factor. What we call this is our premium modular villa. Actually, sir, you have a good
It's
eye.
made of.
It's made of, hindi na siya GI sheets na kagaya nito. We call the material.
It's more like yung parang cladding. Hindi naman.
Yes, sir. The exterior is the cladding. The
Alright.
interior natin, the walls are made of SIP boards. So those are structural insulated panels.
So I have a good idea. Thanks.
Yes, because this is our,
Okay.
this is our latest model actually na.
This is their latest model. So how much is that? That
It
one.
goes for 2.3, sir, at 54 square meters. 2.3
54.
million. 54 square meters.
It's almost triple this size.
Yes, sir. It's almost triple the size. Plus, 2 bedrooms na siya. It comes with a CR. All the fixtures as built na din si bathroom
For
natin.
2.3. So,
Yeah.
if you want a ready-built house and you have that 2.3 million money in the bank, just call Smart House, guys. So, your office in Cebu is in Pacnaan, Mandaue, right?
Yes.
It's a huge yard.
It's basically a warehouse with all our demo units and may stocks na tayo na nasa sulutan.
Once again, this is Miguel from Smart House and this is Amon Ray, Clavano Broker. Broker Ray, your Boholo broker and your real estate broker in the Philippines. Bye-bye. Thank you, Miguel.
Thank you.